Just in case you haven't had a chance to visit the online store lately, I wanted to showcase two collections that we have in stock currently. Hello everyone, it's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com, and these two beautiful lines are from 49er Market. We're going to talk about Coastal Soul and we're going to talk about Country Heart Cafe. Let's go ahead and start on this left-hand side and talk about Coastal Soul. It's a timeless collection. The colors are going to look good today. They're going to look good 10 years from now. So whether you live by the water, you dream of living by the water, you have visited the water, whatever the case is, you want to document your summer vacation that you just had, this one's going to be perfect for that. So let's start with the main pads. So the main pad comes in two different sizes. We've got the 12 by 12, which features 8 double-sided papers, one of each design, plus you have a bonus on the back page. We've also have the 6 by 8 collection that includes 27 double-sided papers. You're going to get 9 different designs, and then 3 of each design, plus once again the bonus back cover. And you're going to have the most lovely papers. As I mentioned, these are good year after year. Of course, you can personalize them with your own photos, with your own journaling. You can make the most beautiful cards to send out as well, or maybe some mixed media pieces would be fabulous with these. So lots of beautiful soft colors. In addition to the main pads, we also have the 12 by 12 solid collection pack. As I always mention, they're not necessarily solids because of the fact that they kind of have a little bit of something there in the background. You see that? Almost like this beautiful linen finish to them. Beautiful colors that will go perfect, of course, with our main collection. In addition to that, we also have some beautiful supporting elements like the laser cuts. These are the floral or the botanical laser cuts. I think I missed grabbing one. I did. Oh no, here it is. So there are two different types of laser cuts. There are the florals or botanicals, and then there's the elements. So the only difference between both of these, they're both laser cuts. Yes, one has 118 pieces. The other one has 120. But you're going to have a lot of the beautiful botanicals and florals on this one. And then on this one, you're going to have more of, yes, some of those elements, but other things like, you know, the dock and the chairs and all kinds of other beautiful elements to layer and create some beautiful clusters, decorate throughout. I love, of course, the florals and all the botanicals always because those are some of my favorites. They are great for adding behind, you know, tucking behind and just having them stick out of little cute places. Plus, you know, they always look good on everything. So both of these packs are phenomenal. We also have the washi tape sheet. You're going to get 12 different die cut strips. So you can see there are lots of beautiful strips. These are 6 inches by 12. So are these right here. And in this case, of course, you're going to get 4 sheets. I guess some of you might not be familiar with the laser cuts. So let me backtrack really quick and just kind of pop this out. The first thing is on the back of the cover, when it comes to the laser cuts, you're always going to have some freebies. Now, these are cut aparts. You have to cut them yourself. But again, they are free and they're beautiful. Then you're going to have 4 pages, and you can see how easily they pop out, that are going to be 6 by 12. This is perforated, so you just tear here. And then all of these elements right here are just going to pop out by you just pushing on them. So there is no fussy cutting. Everything is laser cut, and you can see the incredible details that are on these, right? And so you're going to get 4 pages that are 6 by 12. Okay, so those are the laser cuts. Now, the washi, as I mentioned, 12 die cut washi strips. 6 inches by 12, and you see all the beautiful strips that you get here and here. These are wonderful for putting on spines or creating pockets. I mean, just look at that. It looks like a picture. Isn't that calming? Totally calming. Then we've got the die cut elements, 69 beautiful pieces. Look at that lighthouse. It is a stunner. All of these frames, tags, everything is going to be different or different sizes. So it's nice to have a lot of variety when you're creating, because you never know. You just might need a little tab or maybe an additional rope to just create a little border around something, some wicker, additional frames, and more. Again, 69 pieces in that pack. Then we've got the chipboard elements. This is 48 pieces of beautiful chipboard. By the way, if you're not familiar with 49 and Market, don't ever throw away their packaging. All of their packaging is reusable. You can see here, this one's got like water and like the foam from the ocean, from the waves, and all those beautiful cells. Here we've got a wooden coastal type of a wood finish to them. And look at all of those great 48 chipboard pieces. Beautiful for creating depth. Lots of great sentiments in different fonts and different sizes and different colors, so you can mix and match. Things like Tide Wash Memories, Seashell Stories, Drift and Dream, Relax, Seaside Serenity. Oh, I love all those. Of course, being a Florida girl, I love them, of course, for multiple reasons, right? Okay, now, before we jump into Country Hard Cafe, I was going to ask you a question. Tell me, was there something in here, an element that you absolutely love and must have? Which one was your favorite? Then again, I also want to ask you, when I'm done showing, are you Team Coastal Soul or are you Team Country Hard Cafe? If you could only choose one collection, which of the two would you choose? I know that's hard, but I'm going to ask it anyway. Now, before you jump into this, I want to show you something else that we just got in. And right now it's only $14.75. It is the 12 by 12 Craft Cardstock Essential Pack. It's got 20 sheets at 110 pounds. So beautiful craft color 12 by 12 cardstock. Perfect for albums, pockets, creating extra pages, flips, tucks, all that fun stuff. Or maybe making your own boxes and your own other projects, right? So those are now available. So now we've got the 12 by 12s in black cardstock, that is, and even chipboard, black, white, and now craft, which is fantastic. Now, this you can see how you could use it for either or. Those beautiful craft colors are in both collections as well. Let's take a look at, oh, I'm missing the 12 by 12. Oh, I knew I forgot to grab some stuff. I apologize. I'll show you I really did forget it. Okay, I'll show you the 6 by 8 in the meantime. So this is Country Hard Cafe, and it is going to have beautiful sunflowers. I'm hoping that this is focusing really well. I don't think it is, but you can always head over to the online store and see all these pictures in full view. They are going to be absolutely gorgeously stunning. We also have the coordinating solid collection as well. Once again, beautiful. This one is right now $12.75 as well. You're going to get 8 pages, 4 double-sided papers, and you're going to get 2 of each. So really, really pretty. Then we've got some supporting elements. Once again, we've got the laser cuts. These are some of my favorites to use, not only with 49 Market, but just with everything else, because they're just wonderful to have all this ephemera. Imagine 127 pieces in the laser cuts, and then 123 in the wildflowers. And once again, we've got all of these beautiful elements. I love the dogs. Look at the dog bed. Oh my goodness, the chalkboard. That's making me want some cake. Everything looks so yummy, and some coffee. Okay, I think it's time for a coffee break. What do you guys think? I think so. And then of course we have the wildflowers. Once again, all of those beautiful elements to add on to our projects. And some of these are my favorites. Those honeycomb ones, I'm going to open it just to show you. Because once again, those details on the laser cuts are stunning. Freebies. Oh, look at that beautiful doily looking piece. But these are some of my favorites to use. I wish they would include those in every collection. They look so good on everything. And I love light bulbs. I'm a sucker for light bulbs, of course. So those strands are gorgeous. Okay, so that's just an idea of the laser cuts. Gorgeous. I love that you have some shorter ones, but then you have some long stem ones because those are really important. Again, if you just pop one and put it in front of the other and then tuck some leaves behind it, they make the most beautiful clusters. And then finally, we have the die cut elements, which are 73 die cut pieces. There's that beautiful doily that I mentioned. It reminds me of something I would see like at grandma's house on a table somewhere, right? Doesn't it? Gorgeous. All of these are going to be included in this pack. Look at the coffee bingo card. Are you serious? That is awesome. And then, oh, look at that torn page. How clever. I love that. And then we've had the chipboard sentiments again. So the chipboard is not just sentiments. I shouldn't say that. It's an assortment. It's 52 pieces. Once again, we have the beautiful packaging. All the packagings are different, so don't throw them away. Reuse them. But look at that bag full. I even love those longer strips as well. Do you see them back here? Start each day with courage and with gratitude, I think. Oh, nice. Different fonts, different sizes. Lots to mix and match. Okay, well, I hope you have enjoyed this super quick walkthrough. Lightning fast. Woo! Okay, tell me, what was your favorite? Did you have a favorite? Which collection do you like best? I know it's hard. Try anyway. Don't cheat. Don't say both, because I know you guys are going to do that. So pick one, and then if so, also let me know which of these items you like the best. Only pick one, whether it's, oh, you know what I forgot to grab? Rub-ons. Did I forget rub-ons? Okay, I might have forgotten a few items. So make sure you check the online store. Again, it is spectrumartcreations.com. When I do a giveaway, I might just gift you your favorite item, or I might gift you a gift card. I don't know. So leave a comment down below. Make sure you share this with your friends, because the more comments, the more winners. So everybody wins when you share it out. And we really appreciate your comments and you sharing it out. I'm going to leave an additional 2 videos here at the end for you to watch. Make sure you take a look at those. And then don't forget, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, so you can be notified every time that we upload videos, because we go live, we do live sales, I do tutorial videos, I do classes and workshops, I do product showcases. So there's a lot always happening here on this channel, and we certainly hope you will join us and come along. All right, I'll see you in this next video. Bye.